After studying psychology for 17 to 18 years, I have come to conclusion that developing any language is 80% of psychology and only 20% of technical things. And this is true for every language. Those who want to learn English, they have more of psychological problems and less of technical problems. And one of them is fear of foreign accent. We Indians or we non-native speakers have excessive fear of accent. It can be American accent or British accent. And due to this, we have certain unnecessary fears about foreign accent. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are those fears and how to overcome those fears. So friends, let's start. It's a very interesting and different topic. I'm sure you will love it. Well friends, as I told you that it's all about our mindset. It's all about psychology. After training 17 to 18 years in this field, actually friends, as you know, I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm a doctorate in cryogenics, space science. But since the year 2000, I was passionate about soft skill, communication and psychology. I'm training in this field since last 18 years. And now recently, since like 5 months before, I started online training for those people who can't come to my native place. In this training, I help students to develop their communication, to develop their confidence, and to build a very resilient and strong emotional personality. This training is online and live with me. This is not any ordinary grammar-based training. This training uses psychological techniques which I have learned in my 17 to 18 years of teaching experience. And most important thing, as you know, I do not promote any apps. I do not promote any wrong material about English. Many advertisers contact me, but I'm against this. I personally take this training because I want to build my brand, my trust, and I never will tarnish or never bring a bad name to my reputation. So if you are interested in this training, and I'm sure you will be, just read the description. In the description, email address is there. Email me, my team will help you and give you all the details. Okay, let's come back to this important topic. Okay. Accent. Now what happens is, it's like since our childhood, we have seen the foreign movies, the foreign actors, and we see them on television, and due to that, we develop a belief about foreign accent. And this belief stops you from speaking in English. There are many people in my institute who are from IT field, who are excellent, very intelligent. They are BTechs and MTechs, but when they have to take a foreign call, they get nervous. They cannot speak. They fumble. They lose the confidence. So some of the students told me that, sir, why don't you make a video about accent? So today, here I am. Friends, what happens is, why we have fear of foreign accent? There are certain beliefs behind it. And as you know, beliefs are everything. Whatever you are, it just depends on your beliefs. As you know that beliefs play a very important role in our life. I'm here on the YouTube because of my belief. I believe that I can do training. I can help you out. Beliefs are very important in psychology. So these beliefs has stopped you from developing your English. And they have created your fear of American accent or British accent. What are those beliefs? I would like to tell you. Number one belief is you connect accent to intelligence. You think that those who have foreign accent, they're intelligent. This is one belief. And due to that, when you are going to talk to people who are having a foreign accent, you get nervous. You lose your confidence. This is one thing. Second thing I want to tell you, second belief we have about foreign accent is this. We believe that those who have foreign accent, they are fluent in English. They are master in English. Okay, I will tell you how these beliefs are wrong, but let me complete this wrong belief list. Third belief we have is those who have foreign accent, they are successful in life. Well, this is another belief we have. So when we try to speak to these people who are having foreign accent, we lose our confidence because talking to a successful person, a very powerful person, we lose our own confidence. Another belief we have is these people who have foreign accent are really something out of the world. They are something which is not common. Now, this happens because we are surrounded by people who are having normal Indian accent or whatever your country is. And when you see the foreign people, because they are uncommon, they are not normal to you, you are nervous. Okay, now see what happens is due to these beliefs, we develop fear about English. And also we think that these people are something extraordinary. These people are superhumans or they are better than me. These kind of beliefs come through due to the low self-esteem problems we have. And what happens is then we try to fake the foreign accent. We try to imitate the foreign accent, which sounds very funny. So these are some of the problems which we face. Now, most important thing is the solutions. What are the solutions for this? The solutions are very simple. You have to change your beliefs and replace them with healthy and rational thoughts. How to replace them? Well, look for the proof, look for the logic, look for the reality. If you think that people who have foreign accent, they are intelligent, open your eyes and check. People having different accent, normal accent, or I will say their mother tongue influence is there. These people are also equally intelligent. It has nothing to do with accent. Well, friends, accent is just by birth. It's just normal. It depends on your surrounding in which you are brought up. If you are born in some other country, you get that accent. So it has nothing to do with your intelligence. Intelligent people have some different qualities. I'm going to make a video about that, but they are different. Second problem we have. The solution for that is, as I told you, you believe that those who have foreign accent, they are fluent and master in English. Not at all. There are many people who have just Indian accent and they are very fluent and master in English. So your fluency and mastery in English depends upon your English habits and not on your accent. In fact, I have seen some people having foreign accent, they use some normal words, but people who are having Indian accent, they use some better words and they're more fluent than these people. Third belief you had is these people are very successful. These people are powerful. These people are something out of this world. Not like that. These people are ordinary people. It has nothing to do with their accent. These people are common people like you and me who live in a common homes. They are just common people. You can check many examples. There are many people who are having no foreign, they don't have any foreign accent, but they are very powerful and very successful. Well, friends, what I want to tell at the end of the day is this. These people are very ordinary people, very common people. In fact, if you see those who are having foreign accent, these people will not laugh at your Indian accent because they take English as just a normal language, which they have developed naturally. But if you look at people from India, if you speak a wrong English or if you do some wrong pronunciation, they will laugh at your English. But those people who are having actual foreign accent, they will not laugh at your English. They will understand you. Because the reality is, English just is a simple language. Don't make it as rocket science. Don't make it as status symbol. Don't make it as a sign of intelligence or sign of status, respect, or something else. Don't do that. It's a simple language. So friends, next time when there is an American person in front of you, go there boldly and speak to him and say, Namaste, I'm from India. All right. Thank you, friends, and take care. Goodbye.